Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel today. Previously we spoke on how to create your custom payload on HTTP custom, and I guess some people will be asking themselves how they can also create their own HTTP, how they can also create their own custom payload on HTTP Plus. Well, on HTTP Plus it is quite easier than on HTTP injector. So we'll be back after the short intro. Okay guys, to create your custom payload on HTTP on HTTP Plus, the first thing you have to do is to first of all make sure your application is up to date. So you have to first of all go and then you search for your application on Play Store and make sure your application and so the first thing you have to do is make sure that your application is downloaded and is up to date. So once you have search then you check, okay, according to what is showing on my phone, my application is, you have to, so what you have to do is that you have to come to your application and you configure your application for free internet. The first thing you do is to clear first thing you have to do is to go to your payload generator. For the sake of this video, we already tested this working host. This is a working host that is working for me in my country, and for the ones in your country, you can check their working URL host that you can use. We have provided the link in the description below and in the comment section, which you can use. You can use the link. You can use the link to find out the working host in your own country. And so once you're here, the next thing you have to do is to follow the which method you will use to connect. There are a lot of options to check, but the most common and the most used ones when you want to generate payload, there is a get and there is a connect. Well, we'll be using the get because that's the most commonly used, and then you have to tick just exactly as we will be ticking now, and then you check them. Okay, once you tick as we just tick now, what you have to do is that you generate. So it has been generated from here now, and all we have to do is apply. This is what it shows. It shows that you have applied. Then you always make sure you should check the server. Many people prefer it comes normally on the random server, but we usually prefer using the United States because United States provides a faster and more stable servers. And then you have to also select the port. Once you've checked all of this, all you have to do is to start. Okay, as you can see, it shows you're connected, and it shows that our method works perfectly well. And so if you saw this video helpful, just don't go without giving us a thumbs up, and then you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos as such in the coming future.